Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Rail. In this video, we will see how we can implement stack using Java with our own logic as we implemented queue in last video. So this video is just related to stack. So let's get started. So guys, here I have created one Java class with name stack test, and here I have imported scanner class, and here I have created scanner class object because we will use it in our program. We have to take input from the user side, means from console we will take the input, or we will push any number inside the stack. So basically stack is nothing but LIFO, means LIFO, last in first out. So whatever the element you are pushing or inserting inside stack, and the last element inside that stack would be come out of the memory first. Last element should be get out from the stack first. So let's start our program here. So here we will implement same program as we have implemented in queue. So let's create while loop true, that means for infinite time. We will break it, and for every time we have to print some message. One for push. So push will insert your element inside stack. Pop will take that last element from the stack and it will remove from the stack, and get will print all the element inside present inside your stack, and exit will just can get out of this loop. So here we will create switch, and inside this switch we have to pass some element, so that element will be 1 2 3 and 4. We will take from user, so we have to use scan extent if case. So the cases are 1 2 3 and 4. So for case 1, so this would be 2, this would be 3, and this would be 4. And here this break keyword, as I told you earlier also, this break keyword will break your switch, this switch block. But we want to break here this while loop, so I will name it as loop, and simply I will break loop here. And for case 1, here I will push the number inside stack. So first I will print some message for user, enter number to push. This is same as previous code. And here I will create stack object, my stack my stack. It is showing error because I have not created yet stack class. And here I will say stack dot push, and inside this method I will pass inserted number. So in case 2 we have to pop element, means we will remove from the queue and we will print here. So for print we will use pop element. Here I will say stack dot pop. For case 3 I will just call get method. So here I will pass default length for stack is 5. So let's create our stack class, my stack. So this is the stack class. So stack is nothing but we will take it as memory and we will store our number or element inside array. So let's initialize one array, int array with stack 1, and for the length means array length we will initialize one more variable l. So as you know, I am passing there one number. I will take here as length and I will initialize length variable with passing value, and here I will initialize my stack array with that particular length. So here is my array with length of 5. Here initially length is 5, means array length, and the first method is push public void push. Here we are passing element, so let's say value val, and here I will initialize one more variable, and for every call I will pass that value inside stack, and this is stack 1, and I will increment I value. So as we did in our previous video, that is in Q video, we will increment here array length when the default length is exceeded by the element. Like if we have entered more number more than our default length, so we have to double our array length. So for that I will check here if I value is greater than or equal to L. So here same method I will create one more variable when I will initialize that array with same length initially, and here I will say stack 2 is equals to stack 1, and stack 1 is now new int 2 times of L. This is not the correct way. Actually we have to do this thing, and here I will pass L because here now the length is 10. Okay, and also we have to pass every element inside stack 1 from stack 2. For that we will use for loop. Int j is equals to 0, j should be less than stack 2 length. J plus plus, so stack 1 of j stack 2 of j. So stack 2 element is passing into stack 1 element. Yeah, that's it. And here the value will go in I value whenever the I value is more than the default length. So this is for push method. For pop, so in pop we are returning element, so I will return it as string, no parameter. So let's create one variable and we will pass stack 1. Here the main thing is which index value we have to return, because if we will say 0, that we are, so that means we are returning first element. That is not the concept of stack. We have to return last element of the stack. So for last we will use I value here, because we are inserting according to I value, so the last index is depend on this I value. So whenever you will call any push method, so this will come, like suppose if I value is 2 and we are calling again push method, so it will come here and it will store inside a stack of 2 and I will be incremented, so the I value is 3 now. So if you, so the basically, so basically you have to return here stack of 2 but I value is 3, so we will say I minus 1. So your I is 3 but we want stack of 2, so it will return stack of 2 I minus 1. And also we have to remove from there, so we will say stack of I minus 1 is equals to 0, simply, sorry, stack of 1. And here we will return p, but we will check if this is equals to 0 or not, because we don't want 0 value while calling pop method. So if p is not equals to 0, then return p as a string, otherwise return empty. That's it. And third method is public void get method, no parameter is there. Here we have to simply display whole element, every element. So for int k is equals to 0, k should be less than l, and k plus plus. Here we will check if a stack of 1 is of k is not equals to 0, then only display the number. So stack of 1 q k. So that's it guys, let's run the program. This is same as q. We will say push 12, again push 22, again push 33 and get. So here 12, 22, 33, and if we will call pop second option, then 33 should be removed from the stack. So let's call pop 33, here we are getting, and if we will get our element, so here's our array guys. Let's push some more value, 32, 43, 54, 122, 31, 76, 56. This is more than 5, I think. Let's get it. So this is our stack now. If we will pop, it will say 56. That was the last element. Let's pop again. It's saying empty. Why? Because we are returning here 0. I think we forget something here. Yes, whenever we will pop any element, we have to reduce the length also. L minus 1 and I is equals to I minus 1. Let's run it again. 12, 23, 34, 21, 32, 42, 41, 55. So now we have 55 as last element. Let's pop. It says 55. Again pop. 41. Get it. We don't have 41, we have 42. So this was the second last for 51. Let's pop it again. 42 out of the stack. It should be till 32. So get it. So here we have our stack implementation, guys. As you can see, it's working fine. So in this way you can implement your own stack without using any predefined class or method. So I hope you like this. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, then please subscribe my channel and like this video. Share with your friend. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.